Hello and welcome to our channel Ganit Guru. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel and press bell icon to get regular update. Today in this video we see paper pattern of 10th standard math part first as per SSC board. Let's start video. In this video note all questions are compulsory. Second, use of calculator is not allowed. Third, the numbers to the right of the question indicate full marks. Fourth, in case of MCQ question number 1A, only first attempt will be evaluated and will be credited. Fifth, for every MCQ, the correct alternative A, B, C or D of answers with sub-questions number is to be written as an answer. Let's start. Question number 1. A. For every sub-question, 4 alternative answers are given. Choose the correct alternative and write alphabet of it. 4 marks. 1. Rate of GST on essential commodities is A. 5%, B. 12%, C. 18% and D. 0%. Question number 2. Question 2. X square plus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. Find the roots of given quadratic equation. A. 2, 3. B. minus 2, 3. C. minus 2, minus 3. And D. 2, minus 3. Question number 3. What is the sum of the first 30 natural numbers? A. 464. B. 465. C. 462. D. 461. Number 4. To draw graph of 4x plus 5y is equal to 19. Find y when x is equal to 1. A. 4. B. 3. C. 2. And D. minus 3. B. Solve the following sub questions. 4 mark. Find the value of 5, 3, minus 7, minus 4. Second, write any one quadratic equation. Question number 3. X plus y is equal to 20 and x minus y is equal to 8. Find the values of x and y. Question number 4. On certain article, if rate of CGST is 9%, then what is the rate of SGST? A. Question 2. Complete and write any 2 activities from the following. 4 mark. First activity. Complete the following table to draw graph of the equation. Equation x plus y is equal to 3, x, y and xy. When x is equal to 2, find the values of y. When y is equal to 4, find the values of x. When x is equal to 6, find the values of y and values of xy. Second, a is equal to 8 and d is equal to 5. A is equal to 8, T1 is equal to 8, T2 is equal to T1 plus D is equal to 8 plus 5 is equal to 13, T3 is equal to bracket plus D is equal to 13 plus 5 is equal to bracket, T4 is equal to bracket plus D is equal to 18 plus 5 is equal to bracket. Third, in given sequence, write next 4 terms. Sequence is 9, 15 and 21. You can write T4, T5, T6 and T7. Question 2b. Solve any 4 sub-questions given below. 8 mark. 1. Solve the following equation by Cramer's method. 6x minus 3y is equal to minus 10 and 3x plus 5y minus 8 is equal to 0. Question 2. Solve the following quadratic equation by factorization. X square plus 10x plus 24 is equal to 0. Third, given arithmetic progression 12, 16, 20 and 24, find the 24th term of this progression. 4. On certain article, if rate of CGST is 9%, then what is the rate of SGST? 5th, find the sum of first n natural numbers. Question 3. Complete any one activities from following 3 marks. First, x square plus 2x minus 9 is equal to 0. Solution: x square plus 2x minus 9 is equal to 0. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A is equal to bracket, b is equal to 2, c is equal to bracket. Formula: b square minus 4ac, b 2 square minus 4 into the bracket into bracket is equal to 4 plus bracket is equal to bracket. You have to complete this activity. Question 2. In the natural numbers from 10 to 250, how many are divisible by 4? Complete activity. 12, 18, 24 and 246, which is an AP. A is equal to bracket, D is equal to 6, number of term is equal to n, then Tn is equal to 246. Formula: Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. 246 is equal to 12 plus n minus 1 into bracket. 246 minus 12 is equal to n minus 1 into 6. Bracket is equal to n minus 1 into 6. N minus 1 is equal to bracket divided by 6. N minus 1 is equal to 39. N is equal to bracket plus 1 and n is equal to bracket. You have to complete this activity. Question number 2. Sum of the present ages of Manisha and Savita is 31. Manisha's age 3 years ago was 4 times the age of Savita. Find their present ages. 3. Sum of first 55 terms in an AP is 3300. Find its 28th term. Question number 4. Attempt any 2 sub-questions from the following. 8 mark. 1. Solve the following simultaneous equations. 99x plus 101y is equal to 499. Second, 101x plus 99y is equal to 501. Question 2. A man borrows 8,000 and agrees to repay with a total interest of 1,360 rupees in 12 monthly installments, each installments being less than the preceding one by 40. Find the amount of the first and last installment. Question number 3. Srimati Malhotra purchased solar panels for the taxable value of 85,000. She sold them for 90,000. The rate of GST is 5%. Find the ITC of Srimati Malhotra. What is the amount of GST payable by her? Question number 5. Attempt any 1 sub-questions from the following. 3 marks. 1. Find the sum of first 113 even natural numbers. And second, on the World Environment Day, tree plantation program was arranged on a land which is triangular in shape. Trees are planted such that in the first row there is one tree, in the second row there are two trees, in the third row 3 trees, and so on. Find the total number of trees in the 25th row. In this way, we have to solve the paper.